Good morning, students. In chemistry, you come to the topic of the lesson, that is matter around us. What is matter? Everything around us. That is pen, pencil, plants, eraser, animals, food, utensils, etc. So these are called examples of matter. What does matter means? Matter is anything, it has mass and it occupies space. Now come to the classification of matter. Matter is classified into two: pure substances and impure substances. In pure substances, it has a kind of only one particle. Impure substance means it is a kind of more than one particles. For example, pure substance, it is classified into elements and compounds. All things made up of here around earth, it is made up of a simple substances. For example, that is elements. Example: silver, aluminium, gold, iron, copper. So you already know 118 elements. So these are called as element examples. Then compounds. The compound example, that is water, sodium chloride, sugar. These are the examples of compounds. What is an element? Element is a substance that cannot be broken down into a simple substances. So what is a compound? Two or more elements combine together to form a compound. For example, water, it has two elements, hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen combines with oxygen to form water. In the same way, sodium chloride, sodium and chlorine, they combine together to form a compound, sodium chloride. So these are the examples of compound. Now come to the impure substances. Impure substance is a mixture. Mixture is an impure substance. Here, what is a mixture? Mixture means it is a combined together of elements or a compounds, or both of them are combined together in any ratio. It is called as a mixture. Afterwards, I'll explain detail. Now here, this mixture is classified into two: homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Element, totally 118 elements. It is classified on their properties into three: metal, metalloid and non-metal. Tell some examples of metal: chromium, Cr, copper, Cu, mercury, Hg, and metalloid. Examples: metalloid means it has the properties of both metal and non-metal. Example: boron B, silicon Si, germanium Ge. Non-metal: carbon C, nitrogen N, oxygen O, and sulfur S. So it is elements are classified into metal, metalloid and non-metal. Now come to the differences between element and compound. What is an element? Element is a simple substance. It's made up of only one atom, H, O, S. And compound consists of more than one kind of atom, H2O, NaCl. The next one, element is the smallest particle that retain all its properties is the atom. Atom means oxygen O. So it has the smallest particle. It is element. Here compound means the smallest particle that retain all its properties is the molecule, H2. Hydrogen means element. H is an element, but H2 is a molecule. The third one, element cannot be broken down into simple substances, but the compound that can be broken down into a simple substances. For example, it is separated by chemical methods. For example, elements: hydrogen H, oxygen O, water has the formula H2O, and cane sugar has the formula C12, H22, O11. Here in water, it can be split into made up of two elements, hydrogen and oxygen. So this compound, it has the different properties of the element, that is hydrogen and oxygen. So these are the four differences between element and compound. So element cannot be broken down into simpler substances, and compound can be broken down into a simple elements by chemical methods, and these are the examples of elements and compounds.